Hello besties, come make low budget parfait with me. For this recipe, I'll be using unsweetened Greek yogurt, fresh apple, I have chopped the apple into tiny pieces, sweetened coconut flakes, and finally some cashew nuts. So I opened the Greek yogurt and this is what it looks like. I set it aside and I brought out the cups I'll be using. I'll be making just 2 cups for my sister and her daughter, my beautiful niece. I started by scooping out some of the Greek yogurt into the cups first. Then I added some chopped apples, I added some coconut flakes, I added some cashew nuts, I repeated the process all over again. I added another layer. I finished up with the toppings. At this point, my low budget parfait is ready to be served. I told you earlier I was making it for my sister and her daughter as desserts. Look at how excited they were. I'm very glad they loved it and I look forward to making something else for them soonest. And the moment I do, I'll be coming back here to share with you all, my dear friends. Thank you very much for watching. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'll also be happy if you hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!